what are the cognitive benefits of work, of having a chance to go back to work?
Well, we don't know for sure, because to do that we'd have to do a trial where we, as it were, randomise people to go to work or not to go to work and find out what happens. And I don't think anyone's up for that kind of trial. But we can say some general things, because there's a whole load of scientific work on brain training and the benefits or lack of benefits associated with that. Broadly speaking, one way to characterise it is that keeping your brain active in general is a good thing. But there's some controversy in the studies, in that many studies have said, well, what happens if we train our brain on a particular thing, like working memory, remembering things? And in general, as we train our brain on that, we get better at that particular task. But that may not, and this is a controversial area, that may not generalise to all cognitive domains. So in other words, how that might play out at work, hypothetically, is that we would get benefit from practicing the things we do at work in terms of keeping our brain active, and we'll get better at those particular things, but that might not generalise more broadly. There's another aspect of the brain training literature that's interesting, which is about the effect of physical exercise, because that's also associated with going to work. We all have to get there by walking or cycling or taking public transport. And it turns out that there's some evidence, again controversial, that physical exercise can also be associated with better cognitive function, with better brain function. All of these areas are very interesting, active areas of research, and so the final answer we don't know for sure, but it seems that overall there certainly seem to be benefits to going to work, whether they're restricted to particular cognitive domains or cognitive tasks, or more generalised, remains to be seen.
Thank you.